Hi, in this video, I expect to present you how to prepare the Bass Programming Specialist certification as a student. This certification, it's about how to read and create data file in coding in SAS. It's manipulate and transform data. It's identify and correct syntaxes and programming logic error. So also create basic data lead and summary reports using SAS. For this certification, if you are a student, you can access to the portal which is called SAS Skill Builder. So SAS Skill Builder, uh, to connect, you must have a SAS profile. A SAS profile, it's simply a profile uh, using your email from an academic institution. It will not run if you are not using an email from an academic institution. So you put your email in which university you are studying, and when you click submit, you will get an email to validate your email, and you will be allowed to create your own password. So when you have such a profile, you can access to SAS Skill Builder, and in SAS Skill Builder there is several learning paths. In all these learning paths, in this short video in SAS programming, I will focus on this certification. So you can go directly to each courses to learn how to code in SAS, programming 1, 2, 3, SQL, macro, programming in Viya, or there is this certification program. So to get certified SAS BAS programming specialist, I want to focus on this certification in this video. If you click the first time on show more and on wall, you can go to this page. So to get these credentials, these certifications, there is two courses, SAS Programming 1 and SAS Programming 2. There is only one practice exam, so don't ever auto-evaluate yourself before you finish the courses, or you will know most of the question and you will not be able in the future to auto-evaluate yourself. So first do the courses, use the prep guide for bass programming, which is really fantastic. There is also some sample question to see and some tips and strategy for this certification, which is mandatory, and then you can register for the exam. Everything is free on SAS Skill Builder, only the exam, which is with Pearson VUE Certmetrics. But as a student, you can get 50% discount. You can get the exam at a Pearson VUE center or at SAS or at home. At home, you need a laptop with a new a Western version from Windows with a camera. At the beginning from the exam, the proctor who will look after you will ask you to show an ID with a photo on the camera to uh, just before the exam, and he will ask you to take your computer so that he can see that the door is closed, the windows is closed, and you're alone in the room. There must be nothing on the desk, and during all the session he will watch after you. So if at any time you put your hand in front of your lips, he will ask you to remove your hand because he wants to see your lips all the time. Okay, but this video is much more to focus on how to prepare this exam. So bass programming, the first course is programming 1. There is many videos, and for each one welcome videos and some demonstration, some exercise and some activities. So to do the exercise, you need SAS. If you go to SAS Skill Builder, in SAS Skill Builder, you can have access to the um, you can have access to SAS Viya for Learner. So if I go back on the home page from SAS Skill Builder, there is the learning path. It where I was just a few seconds before. And on the left side, there is free software. So free software, there is two platforms, SAS on the one for academics, SAS 9, or SAS Viya for Learner. And I want to show you using SAS Viya for Learner. So access as a student on SAS Viya for Learner and launch the software. I already launched the software. So when you are in SAS Viya for Learner, the main page is SAS Drive, and then you can go on SAS Viya for Learner in Develop Code and Flow. In the Explore part, there is a library, and I'm in Explore. In your file, there is all the data for the courses. So the first courses, it's called Programming 1 V2. And for these courses, all these data, and for the activities, there is a program. There is for the practice exercise and the solution, so you can uh, learn step by step how to program in SAS. But all these program and data, they are read only. So the idea is to copy to your home directly, so that you will get a local copy on your folder and get all the data to follow the courses. So you've got everything to learn how to program in SAS. And if you understand it well, you can get this certification. A certification, it's not only learning the program, it's learning enough so that when you see a program, you can imagine what will be the output. When you see an output, you can imagine what is the program that made this output. Evil is in the detail, so it's really precise, that certification, but it can bring huge value on your CV. Thank you for your attention. I wish you all the best.